Welcome to CRM Builder, a platform for designing, publishing, and running customer relationship management forms. In this walkthrough, we will explore every feature, step by step. CRM Builder supports 3 user roles: Builder, Admin, and Agent. Watch as we log in with Builder credentials to access the Form Management Dashboard. The Builder dashboard shows all CRM applications. Each row displays the CRM name, its unique code, and publication status, either draft or published. To create a new CRM, enter a descriptive name and a unique code. The code is used in API calls and SSO authentication links. Click Create to add it to the list. The designer opens automatically. The toolbox on the left contains all available field types. The canvas in the center is where you assemble the form layout. The component toolbox lists all available field types organized by category: text box, number, email, date picker, drop-down, toggle, and more. To add a field, simply drag it from the toolbox and drop it onto the canvas section below. After dropping a field, the settings drawer opens automatically. It has 6 configuration tabs: Basic for label and field name, Behavior, Validation constraints, Options for drop-downs, Trigger rules for conditional logic, and Layout for positioning and width. The Preview button renders the form exactly as agents will see it in production, a fully interactive live mock that responds to all trigger rules and conditional field states. Use this to validate your design before saving or publishing. Clicking Save Draft opens a confirmation dialog showing the current field count and version number. Confirming saves your entire design to the server. A success dialog confirms the draft was saved, and you can continue editing afterward. When the design is ready, clicking Publish makes the form live immediately for all assigned agents. After confirming the published dialog, a success confirmation appears. The canvas then enters a locked, read-only state to preserve the published version. Now switching to the admin role. Administrators manage published CRMs, control user group assignments, manage SSO access keys, and handle data imports, but cannot modify form designs, which is the builder's exclusive domain. The admin dashboard lists every active published CRM across the organization. From here, admins can assign CRMs to specific user groups, manage access control, and monitor which teams are using which forms. Clicking Assign opens a dialog to associate this CRM with one or more user groups, giving precise, role-based control over which agent teams can access each form. User groups organize agents into logical teams. Create a group with a name and code, then link the CRMs and add members to define exactly who can access what. The Users panel lets administrators create accounts and assign roles, builder, admin, or agent, to everyone in the organization, with full control over permissions. The data upload page allows admins to import customer records from a CSV file, pre-populating form fields so agents can work faster and with greater accuracy. Agents never log in manually. They receive a unique SSO link containing their phone number and CRM code. Clicking it authenticates them instantly and opens the correct form. The agent runtime renders all form sections designed by the builder. Agents fill in the fields, interact with drop-downs and date pickers, then review the complete record before submitting. Submitting the form saves the record and shows a confirmation screen. Agents can also use Save Draft to pause and continue a session later without losing any entered data. CRM Builder. Design smarter, deploy faster, and empower every agent on your team. Thank you for watching.